Have you ever wondered how your passion can shape your career in engineering? Today, we're diving into the diverse world of industrial sectors and how to find the perfect fit for your interests. Whether you're a student or a professional considering a change, understanding these sectors can help you make informed decisions about your future. Manufacturing involves producing goods from electronics to heavy machinery. If you love creating and solving problems, this might be your niche. Imagine designing the next generation of smartphones or building complex machinery that powers industries. The possibilities are endless, and the impact is significant. The energy sector encompasses both renewable sources like solar and wind, and non-renewable sources such as oil and gas. If you are passionate about sustainability, consider roles in renewable energy. You could be at the forefront of developing technologies that reduce our carbon footprint and promote a greener planet. The technology sector includes software development, hardware engineering, and IT services. If you enjoy coding or designing apps, this sector offers endless opportunities. From creating innovative software solutions to developing cutting-edge hardware, technology is a field where creativity meets functionality. Construction focuses on building infrastructure, homes, commercial buildings, and more. If you like design and project management, this field is rewarding. You could be involved in creating the skylines of tomorrow or developing sustainable housing solutions that improve quality of life. Healthcare involves medical device engineering and biotechnology. If you are driven to help others, this sector offers fulfilling opportunities. Imagine working on life-saving medical devices or pioneering biotechnological advancements that improve health outcomes for millions of people. The automotive sector is all about designing and manufacturing vehicles, including electric and autonomous cars. If you are fascinated by mechanics, this dynamic field has numerous paths. You could be part of the revolution in transportation, making vehicles safer, more efficient, and environmentally friendly. Reflect on your interests and strengths. Use personality tests or career quizzes for insights. Understanding what drives you can help you align your career choices with your passions, leading to a more fulfilling professional life. Explore sectors through online resources and industry reports. Understanding trends helps align passions with opportunities. Stay informed about the latest developments in your fields of interest to make educated decisions about your career path. Reach out to professionals in your fields of interest, gain first-hand insights, and assess your fit. These conversations can provide valuable perspectives and help you understand the day-to-day realities of different roles. Get hands-on experience through internships or personal projects. Practical exposure can ignite or refine your passions. Real-world experience is invaluable in helping you determine if a particular sector is right for you. Join engineering clubs and attend industry conferences. Building connections opens doors and provides mentorship. Networking can lead to job opportunities and collaborations that you might not find otherwise. Stay updated with industry trends and technologies. Online courses and certifications enhance your skills. Continuous learning ensures that you remain competitive and can adapt to changes in your chosen field. Establish short and long-term career goals based on your interests. This structured approach provides direction and motivation. Setting clear goals helps you stay focused and measure your progress over time. Career paths can evolve. Be flexible and open to new opportunities. Explore as you grow and discover more about your interests. Being adaptable allows you to take advantage of unexpected opportunities that align with your passions. We explored various industrial sectors and how to align your career choices with your passions. Finding the right fit leads to a fulfilling career. Take the first step in exploring your interests and pursuing your dreams. It's never too late to follow your passion. Share in the comments which sector excites you the most and why. Don't forget to subscribe to Being Electrical for more insights on engineering careers. Join our community of passionate engineers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.